name is Amaria. Welcome back to my mom's channel. If you'd like to see how my mom created this style, please continue watching. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon.
Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is cut the hair, or I'm sorry, part the hair in half, and then we're gonna go ahead and braid down the back to make the base for the crochets. Those braids don't have to be super duper neat or anything like that, but you are gonna want to braid them down in a straight back motion. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is take our crochet needle and kind of loop the braid through the rest of the braids that are braided down. So the leave out braid right there, we're gonna go ahead and loop it through just all the way across until it's completely hidden. All right, we're gonna move on to the front part of her head. We're gonna go ahead and part it in down the middle to prepare for the two ponytails and start on our bangs. You just do like a triangle part, a nice skinny triangle part to prepare to make the bangs, and then we'll go ahead and braid those down, adding hair. I only added just a little bit of hair because I didn't want the braid to be too big. As you can see here, all we did was French braided the hair in the direction that you want the ponytail to be placed. So that's what you're gonna do. And in the next shot, I'm gonna show you how I parted the hair so that you could get a general idea of how you will be braiding it. You can see here, I parted them into 4 triangles, and then I just braided them up so that they all met in the center. Okay, so that's all you're gonna do is braid them up so that they meet in the center and are placed in that spot for when you get ready to put your ponytails in. Okay, the hair that we're gonna use today is the freetress Jazz Water 12-inch pack. It ranges about $6 a pack, and we used 4 of them. Now this is just a standard crochet, but the only difference is that I'm going to kind of loop it around 3 times to secure it, because she is a child. She is going to be playing at school. Her friends are probably going to be playing her hair. She's probably going to be playing in her hair. So just to make sure that her curls don't come out, I'm just going to loop it 3 times, and then I'm going to go ahead and secure it with just a tie. Okay, and then we're just going to braid this all the way down to the ends and then wrap it around the ponytail to create a cute little bun. And then I'm just going to take some rubber bands and wrap them around the buns just to secure its place. Voila, we're done. I just went ahead and added some beads to the front of her bangs. And this is a really cute hairstyle, you guys. It's really fun. The kids love it because those curls are really bouncy. Gives them a lot of personality. So yeah, this is it. Super duper easy.